Apple Pay Later is part of Apple Pay, and will allow you to purchase something online and pay it off over the course of 6 weeks in 4 equal payments, without any interest or fees. Once Apple releases it for all its users in the US. The new feature will be available in the Wallet app on your iPhone. For example, if you want to buy a pair of Jordans from Amazon that cost $455, and don't want to pay the whole sum at once, you will be able to use Apple Pay Later to order the shoes, and pay for them in 4 installments of $113.75 every 2 weeks. You will pay the exact sum of $455 without any fees or interest. According to Apple, you will be able to apply for Apple Pay Later directly in the Wallet app. Upon applying, you will be asked to enter the amount you would like to borrow. During the application process, a soft credit pull will determine your financial position, and whether you can take the loan. When you are approved, you will start seeing the Pay Later option, when you select Apple Pay at checkout and in apps. Apple Pay Later or Apple Card? Which one to use? Well, the Apple Card is a credit card. Although you don't pay fees, you pay interest on the borrowed money. When buying a product with an Apple Card, you can choose a long period of time, like 12 or 24 months, to pay off the loan. Also, you receive daily cash back when using your Apple Card. With Apple Pay Later, you will be able to buy a product and pay the exact price without any interest. However, the amount you will be able to borrow will be capped. Furthermore, you won't be able to choose the payback period of the loan, and there won't be any cashback perks when you purchase something with Apple Pay Later. So that's all about Apple Pay Later. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching.